set to power global businesses without boundaries. And I am so honored to be your host, and I hope you guys came prepared and ready to get yourself wowed by everything you're going to see today.
So it's all about Platnova, and you've heard about it before, and you know what it's all about.
CEO and the co-founder of Platnova, a trusted fintech platform empowering global business through seamless financial solutions. With a background that spans fintech, blockchains, and digital transformation, his work continues to shape how businesses connect and transact across borders. Beyond Platnova, he's also the co-founder of Zap Africa and Shortlet app, leading groundbreaking innovations in cryptocurrency and property technology. Please, if your hands are not busy, please join me in welcoming a true trailblazer and change maker, Dr. BGF Oyemale, the CEO and co-founder of Platnova.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm super excited to have everyone here to share this amazing opportunity and events with everybody in this room. Thank you for coming. To my distinguished guests and my esteemed partners, my visionary business owners, my co-innovators, my co-platformers, and every forward-thinking entrepreneur in this room today, I want to say a good afternoon and welcome to Platnova Business Launch. So today marks a monumental milestone in the Platnova journey, which is of course our official launch of the Platnova Business products. So we're gathered here not just to unveil the products, right, but to announce a powerful shift in a way the African business operates, expand, and scale beyond borders. You see, for years, entrepreneurship across the continent has been fueled by sheer determination. Businesses have survived in spite of obstacles, in spite of limitations, and in spite of a system that has not always given them the support they deserve. But you see, today, we're rewriting that narrative. Platnova has always championed freedom. The freedom to transact, the freedom to grow, and the freedom to explore global opportunities without restrictions. We built Platnova because we believe every business, whether it's a local retail store, a growing e-commerce brand, or a fast-scaling enterprise, deserves the financial tools that matches its ambition. We have listened closely to business owners around us. We understand that payment limits are killing business growth. We understand that most businesses lose money every time they convert currencies. We also understand that receiving international transfers and dispersing international payments is way too stressful. You want to pay your suppliers abroad without delays. You need a card that actually works everywhere, home and abroad. These are the real challenges that real businesses face almost every other day. And these are the challenges that we decided to solve as a business, boldly, effectively, and permanently. I'll move on to what we're launching today, which we already know, Platnova Business. Your business unlimited convenience, fast, secure, reliable. We're launching a unified growth platform that provides you global USD, GBP, EUR accounts and many more to receive payments at a global company. You can have high limits on your corporate virtual cards and also corporate virtual accounts. We have POS terminals now for every merchant in Nigeria, enabling smooth card payments, virtual account transfers, and seamless settlements for merchants across the federation. We are also introducing DeFi payment, decentralized finance, also known as digital assets, right? Where customers can also accept cryptocurrencies, inflows and outflows as well, on-ramp, off-ramp. Borderless payouts too, pay internationally, pay international partners, whether it's a vendors and whether it's a marketplace. We're also giving businesses operational control, right? Approve payments, issue staff cards, track spending real time. We're also releasing amazing reporting features to allow businesses to track their spending and expenses all under one umbrella. Why does this matter? So you see, African businesses are building globally competitive solutions today, but financial infrastructure has not really kept up with our ideas and innovations. You see, traditional systems, like the banks we have today, has failed to support our expansion. Compliance audits have slowed momentum. Banking generally has limited the dreams of entrepreneurs. You see, Platnova Business has come to break these limitations completely because we believe, number one, African businesses should not struggle to trade globally. We believe growth should never be blocked by geography. We also believe that innovation deserves a global audience. We also believe that payments must move as fast as your ideas. So as your ideas are moving fast, your payments will be moving fast as well. So you see with Platnova, your business is now powered by technology designed for your scale, for your growth, and for your seamless transaction. So a new era for businesses is here and has come to stay. We are entering the future where borders will no longer restrict success. So with Platnova Business, you are not just trading locally. You are competing globally. So our promise to you is this: as you grow, we grow. Your success is our mission. Your global expansion is our priority. We are building a fintech platform that stands side by side with your business, built for you, providing reliability, offering real support, delivering speed, transparency, and trust. We are here to remove friction. We are here to boost revenue, and we're here to help you scale as a business. So today is not just a launch, it's a celebration of ambition. It's a celebration of every business owner in this room who refuses to be limited. And it's a celebration of the new global players, the African entrepreneurs that we have here. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you for being here to experience history. Thank you for believing in this vision with us. Welcome to the future of Platnova Business. Welcome to the future of digital finance. Thank you.
A lot of businesses have faced a lot of challenges over time when in their operations, basically. The everyday struggles of modern businesses, ranging from managing multiple accounts and currencies across fragmented platforms to limited visibility into team spending and permissions, to complex settlements and long waits for international payments, to time-consuming manual invoicing and poor tracking system, to no developer-friendly APIs to connect finance with operations. I mean, a lot of challenges, right? These problems slow businesses down. That's why we built the Platnova Business. All right, so you may ask, what is Platnova Business, right? So your business powered by Platnova looks like this. So Platnova Business is our flagship digital banking platform for businesses, available on the Android and iOS devices. That's for your mobile apps, and also for the web app. It's also available on the web app as well. It's built as an all-in-one financial workspace that gives businesses full control, visibility, security, and speed. You can manage global operations, process payments, issue invoices, handle cross-border settlements, empower your team, all from one secure dashboard. Trust me, that's amazing. Please, a round of applause for Platnova. Alright, thank you very much. So, your platform experience, so wherever business takes you, Platnova goes with you. It's amazing because from your mobile app, your mobile devices, whether Android or iOS, to your web app. So if you have an iPad, you have a laptop, you can manage your Platnova Business systems from there. So quick and secure access on the go, right? Perfect for owners and staff who need to act fast, right? So a full workspace for deeper team control, developer portals, API key management, webhooks and deposit withdrawal alerts, complete webhook history for transparency. So whether you are a technical or a non-technical business, Platnova has got you. So we give you transparency, we give you control, we give you security and speed, right?
So if we are looking at understanding our users, who you might want to think who is a Platnova user, business user today, it's Platnova Business basically is built for every kind of business, whether you're a technical business, like I said, who need, you want to use our APIs to resell or embed Platnova's payment and settlement capabilities directly into your platforms. Platnova Business is for you. If you're a non-technical business that want to simply get a business account in your business name, right, with instant access to 30 plus multi-currency wallets and then a USD, GBP and EUR virtual accounts, Platnova Business is your guy, right? Seamless settlement. So whether you're a startup, a marketplace, or an established enterprise, Platnova adapts to you. So you don't need to adapt to the business adapts to you. Platnova is made for every business, technical or non-technical. So our key features, if you want to ask, okay, so what makes Platnova stand out from every other brand, from every other business platform out there? So wherever your business takes you, like I said, Platnova goes with you. So whether you need team management, Platnova has got you covered. So imagine you have team members, you have staffs that need to make transactions on the go, you need to give access to physical cards, virtual cards, and all of that. You can easily manage and control their expenses, their permission from your Platnova platform, right? Whether mobile or web app, right? Assign roles, whether admin, accountant, member, developer roles. You can set permissions and manage staffs digitally from your Platnova platform. Is that not amazing? Right? You can control cards basically. So you can create and assign cards, whether virtual or physical cards, to your team members. So today on the Platnova app, you create a card, you can assign it to a team member, you add maybe a marketing department team or a customer support team, you add them to the Platnova Business platform, and then you can assign them cards to manage their spending. So if they're spending out of budget, you would know. If they make they can't even make an unauthorized transaction because we have approvals as well. So you need to checkmate for every transaction initiated. The business owner or the admin in charge has to approve that transaction before it goes out. So I mean, we're giving you full transparency and control, right? So advanced payments. So we have, on the Platnova Business app, you have access to manage over 25 plus multi-currency wallets, open a USD, GBP, and EUR virtual accounts. You can also transact globally with ease. Platnova gives you that ease. So if you are a vendor or you are a hair seller or whatever you do and you need to buy in bulk from your vendors in China or wherever they are, in Italy or wherever they are, you can easily use the Chinese yuan or whatever currency, whatever multi-currency you want to send them money in and get instant settlement. So you're sending money, you're not waiting for an allergy in the Bureau in one market to help you do that transaction. You are doing it instantly on Platnova, right? So, and you can transact globally with ease, like I've said, make payouts to over 50 plus countries, right? So over 50 plus countries, you can make payouts to those countries with the Platnova Business. So you can also send invoices, create invoices on Platnova, send payment links on Platnova. So you don't have to close an app to go to the next app to create your invoice. From the Platnova app, from the Platnova Business app, you can create an invoice sent to your customer direct. Whether you want to schedule the invoice, you want it to be a recurring invoice, you want it to be a one-time invoice, you want it to go at a particular time, you can set all of that on Platnova. So full control, full transparency, right? And you can move an invoice from pending to paid when your customer has made payment for that transaction, right? So that's very easy. You can also create payment links. So you want to make payment and you want to ensure you're able to track all your customers that have made payments and sent you money. You can just send them the payment link with your account detail or your Nova tag. Yes, Platnova Business also has a Nova tag feature as well. So you can send them the payment link and you can make payments, deposit, whatever.
My name is Sunny. My full name is Atam Sunday. I am the head of marketing and corporate communications here at Platnova. So there's no product giving you what we're giving you today. There's nobody in Nigeria doing what we're doing currently. I think we're the first. right? We're the first when it comes to giving businesses more options to pay and get paid. The business, it's a Platnova Business for every big business out there, every SME rather. Very accessible. You go to the Play Store, App Store, you download it there. It's the KYC is swift. Within 2-3 minutes, you're done. So it's not really that you don't have to go to the bank. You don't have to bring your mother's maiden name and all your village people's name or names, right? It's pretty swift. It's powered by. So our goal is ease, right? But we ensure that all the necessary KYCs are added, meanwhile also making it very easy for you to onboard as a business, as a merchant, right? Yeah, so pretty much it's easy. We also have the web app, of course. If you don't want to download the app or you want to check it out right now, just go to www.platnova.com/business.
So as a Platnova Business user, you can create invoices on the Platnova Business platform and also create payments. So say you want your business to send you an invoice to a customer that maybe has mostly purchased, you can do that on the Platnova Business app and then send them payments as well to make payments. So on your invoice as well, you can. Okay, so on your invoice as well, you are able to add account information. So either the customer is paying via the tab or account number, bank transfer, whatever, you can add that. So we also have for technical businesses the API keys and webhooks and webhook history. So if you want to integrate Platnova into your system, Platnova services into your system, you have access to the API keys. You have access to webhooks and webhook history as well. And I would like to say that the APIs are very developer friendly, so it's very easy for you to just integrate and be very seamless. So yeah, those are some of the features that we have. We have a lot more, like the multi-currency wallet with the payout systems. We also have the USD, EUR, and GBP virtual account.
The high, what's it called? Deposit.
Yeah, so you can have, so you can own, as a business owner, say your business name is Nancy and Co. You can have
Nancy and Billions.
Nancy and Billions. Yeah. You can have a business name. You can have your Nancy and Billions is your business name, for example. You can also have a USD account tag with the account name Nancy and Billions. You can have an EUR account as well, a GBP and an NGN account. So Platnova gives you options to do all of that and also transact in these accounts. So basically, it's just seamless and beautiful control. So those are some of the features. Maybe not to board.
All right, thank you so much. And this question is directed to the man, the vision behind everything. Why Platnova Business? We really have Platnova personal that is working fine. People love it. People have testimony about it. But Nigerians will say, why you to do? Why did you decide to go and do Platnova Business? So why?
In one word, I say convenience, right? Convenience, control. So you know how your personal life differs from your corporate life.
Yes.
So it's best to keep them separate and to not mix your business expenses, your business transactions with your personal transactions. So for business, it encourages you to do more limits, do more transactions, have team members, manage your businesses for you.
One word, convenience. That's good. I love that.
All right, my next question will go to, Emmanuel. So this is, with growing regulations in fintech, how does Platnova maintain trust, compliance across multiple jurisdictions? That's my first question to you. Then my second question to you is, tell me, when your boss said and the lady decided to say, you know what, guy, I want to give you more work, I want to do Platnova Business. What was the first thing that came to your mind, and how did you navigate the water? Take a deep breath, it's fine. It's all right.
Yeah, thank you so much. Looking at regulations in the fintech industry, we know it's a very, fragile field, because in Nigeria, regulations are not there yet. We're not yet there how we regulate fintechs in Nigeria, but yeah, I'll say what Platnova tries to follow is we try to follow the fintech regulations to make sure that we are compliant with the fintech regulations that we have now in the country, and also in every country that we are based in. Considering that we are also based in the US and UK, where we provide businesses that are registered there with our services also. So we make sure that we are compliant with all of the regulations in all these places. We make sure that we are very, very attentive to security. So, PCI DSS regulations concerning cards, because yes, we manage cards, virtual and physical cards. So we make sure that we are compliant with the PCI DSS rules. To make sure that we store cards securely and we don't expose users' financial, sensitive financial data to the public. So we do our best to abide by all of this and all our products. We always make sure that compliance is a very strict part of Platnova. So we even have a department, a whole compliance department that focuses on making sure that we are not non-compliant in the fintech industry. So yeah, we do our best to stand by that. Yeah, thank you. So
My second question to you was how?
Yeah, the second question, how did I feel?
How did
I
you
think,
navigate?
it wasn't just put out to me there that we want to build Platnova Business. So it was put out with an explanation of why we wanted to do it, just like the CEO said. So yeah, so after the explanation and everything, I felt like, yeah, this was necessary. So let's do this.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Interesting. Today, the Nigerian Interbank Settlement System, that's NIPS, they came out with a regulation just a few months ago, and it's around POS devices. One of the things we've seen in the market today is POS agents are not just becoming the point of access for cash anymore. They're also becoming somewhat dubious in a way. You see instances where there are kidnaps happening and then, or the police arrest you and they say you want to collect supply, they say transfer to this POS agent. So we're seeing lots of cases like that, and then CBN wants to be able to trace that and say, you know what, where is the location where this POS agent is? Who is the agent as well? So the angle, the level specification particularly is geared at being able to identify the agents and also being able to place limits, geotagging limits, where say this agent is at this particular location and this is where the transaction happened.
My next question is going to go to you, Alexandra. During your demo, you mentioned POS. What is the selling feature about this POS? Because a lot of people will be like, what is Platnova bringing to the table that is not already on the market?
Alright, so major selling point for the POS is the instant settlement and tap to pay features. So today you have many POSs, but they are not tap to pay friendly. But I can guarantee you that the Platnova POS is tap to pay friendly, so you don't have to insert your card, you just tap and you pay. And then instant settlement. So once you're at the merchant, you want to settle your money and collect your funds, it's instant. Most POSs today does T+1, but Platnova does instant. In the now. I mean, we're in the now, so yes.
All right. Thank you so much. My next question is to you, Mayoka. Are you ready for me? Thank you very much. What are the biggest problems that Platnova Business is solving for SMEs and large enterprise?
Okay, I'll mention a couple. Number one is the ability to move money freely.
Very important.
Major big point is a hassle for the average business out there. Also, the ability to create accounts seamlessly. So with Platnova Business, you don't have to wait for any long queues at the bank. You don't have to wait for 2 weeks to get an account open, or wait for head office to approve your onboarding, get you looking and all of that rigorous stuff. You can sign up today, get your account approved today, and start moving volumes. So that alone is enough reason to see why Platnova is different from the others. Not only that, Platnova is the only fintech in Africa today that allows you to at least up to 100 million USD daily in transaction volumes. I don't think there's any fintech or bank in Africa that can do that volumes today.
That's awesome.
Right. And not only that, Platnova's wire, when it comes to USD transaction, is the fastest in the ecosystem. Our wires are as fast as 9 minutes, right? And our SWIFT are same day, our ACH are also same day. So imagine sending money from Singapore, China, right? And all these countries that our time zones differs. you find out that no matter the time you send that money, you're definitely going to get it Platnova same day. So yeah, that's just about it. I think one more thing again that makes us stand out is the fact that we all our virtual USD cards. So we have a lot of fintechs that do virtual cards today in India. A lot of them, right? So to me, I even see it as a copy and paste mechanism. So Platnova stands out because our virtual cards are the only virtual cards today that works on Apple Pay and Google Pay. What that means is you can add your Platnova card onto your Apple wallet, then you can use your device to pay at any POS or any sales points globally. Right? No bank does that today. They only give you dollar card that you can, and you always have to take a physical card. Platnova, you are online.
Do you know that's a major problem people are facing in Nigeria? Yes. Accessing app store like Apple, and they cannot use their card in Nigeria card.
Yeah.
This is a big win.
Yes. Not only that, when you go out of the country, say Cape Town, say London, say Dubai, you don't need to open an account there. You can bank as a local just because you have Platnova. You can add your card to Apple Pay and you can walk into any store and you can make payments seamlessly. Our limits are also good because the average bank caps you at maybe 2,000, 3,000 on your dollar card. You can do as much as 100,000 USD on your Platnova virtual card seamlessly, meaning you can walk into that Gucci store and you can order any store or that Cartier store. You can buy goods worth thousands of dollars from the comfort of your device. Easy, smart, seamless. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Repeat after me. Répétez après moi. P L A T N O V A B U S I N E S Platnova Business. Thank you, Jesus. I don't spell the name wrong. Please, pictures. Come and chill on the board. So, camera lady, are you good? We're good, right? Please let me know when I can. Smile. Say business. Business.
I wanted to ask, can we use it to fund our sporting bets? Hey, very important because that is where I come in. Secondly, when they asked you after this what they say to the moon, good. Jobless. And since we already have a branch here in Lagos, I know you also have plans to have branches outside the country. Good. Okay. It won't be good for you to be here and there. And since you already love Nigeria, I'm just saying it won't be bad if you have someone you know, OP, overseer. I'm not. Because see, 6%. Because I will give you reasons why I need this. I'm a graduate and I've looked for a job in Lagos. Any HR in the house? Where's the HR? HR, make some noise.
Yeah, what's up?
As of last year, I had all the HR in Lagos, their number. There was nowhere I did not apply. I applied for a job. You get one HR where I applied. If they look my CV, say I'll get back to you. I say swear. Swear that you get back to me because. By the way, I just saw my classmates. I saw my classmate for the first time. I thought I was the most successful person in my school. I studied computer engineering in the University of Agriculture. Who wants to employ an agricultural engineer graduate? I go one interview, one HR say, what did you study? I say computer engineering. They say, which school? I say, McAlpin University of Agriculture. He said, don't provoke me here. What's the relationship between agriculture and computer? I can't say they both have RAM.
My name is Benjamin Oyemolin. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Platnova. Platnova was born out of a necessity, right, to solve a major point that we face today in our ecosystem, right? So the ability for individuals and businesses, right, to do business seamlessly, to be safe, secure, and anything money, lifestyle in one app. So Platnova basically is an all-in-one money and lifestyle app that allows you, anything that's to do with money movement across the globe, you can do it under one umbrella. So you don't need to have 8 apps, you don't need to have 4 apps, you don't need to have 5 apps that do everything. Just one app that basically, consolidates all your financial needs. Yes. Yes, so Platnova offers you multi-currency wallets, right? So Platnova, you can create a Naira account, you can create a USD wallet, you can create a GBP wallet, EUR wallet, ZAR wallet. So yes, all you want. So what that means is you can always bank as a local in any country that you go. So imagine you go to Ghana, you can just switch your wallet to GHS and you are banking as a local. Imagine you go to the US, you can switch to US, then you're already banking as a local. The good thing is that we also offer virtual accounts, we offer multiple payment methods. So for African countries, we offer mobile money collection, mobile money payouts. For USD, we offer bank transfers, we have wire, you can receive wire, ACH, RTP, SWIFT. We also allow you to do transactions using Cash App, PayPal, Revolut, Zelle, right? Yes, we also have decentralized finance where you can also, bring in digital assets to as well and fund your multi-currency wallets. Yeah, amazing. So Platnova is only one. Right, Platnova is the only all-in-one money and lifestyle app. So with our Platnova business, right, we give businesses access to have multi-currency wallets as well. You can have bank accounts in multiple countries, right, from the comfort of your home. One KYB for all. So imagine a Nigerian business struggling with FX, struggling with international inflows, right? They can easily open a Platnova business account, create multi-currency wallets, maybe open a USD account for instance, and they can start receiving money and receiving their transactions instantly, seamlessly. They can also add their team members, right? Assign them various wallet accounts, manage all their entire business expenses and team expenses under one umbrella, assign multiple virtual cards and physical cards to various team members, and it's just basically convenience, right? Ease of doing business under one platform. You don't have to message or call any account officer. You don't need to fill forms and wait for 2 weeks before your account is being opened. It removes all of that, that paperwork, all that whole stress of opening a bank account and doing business as a Nigerian or an African, right? So it basically just removes that stress, meaning you can download the Platnova app today, you can create a business account today, and you can start transacting same today, if that makes sense. It's easy, simple. Just make sure you have a business document, right? So once you have your business document, you have your tax identification number, right? You have your proof of address, right? And just some couple other documentations. The good thing is you can do everything online. So when you go and sign up, you see our onboarding process is very easy, very seamless. You can finish in 10 minutes, right? And you are good. And same day your account is approved, start transacting, easy, and we are fast like the speed of light. So our transfers are instant, seamless. No hassle, no stress, easy. Convenience.
Okay, hi, my name is Alexandra Iwere. I'm the Product and Global Expansion Manager at Platnova. Right. So one thing we're going to guarantee is control, transparency, security. Basically, Platnova Business is your all-in-one is your platform for your all-in-one financial need. So as a business, I know you have multiple needs, from sending invoices to ensuring customer pays, to tracking customers' payments, to tracking your team members, basically, to making cross-border payments, to having bank accounts in your name, right? So all of that, Platnova Business has got you covered, right? So we handle all of that. So for businesses who just want to make transactions, who just want to go through the process, send money abroad, send money to their manufacturers, their vendors abroad in China, US, UK, Europe, wherever, basically Platnova Business can handle all of that for you, right? You get to own your own account number, your NGN account number, your US account number, your EUR account number, and GBP account numbers as well in your business name, by the way. So I mean, that's a catch. That's unique. I don't think there's any other brand out there that does that for you, right? So you can also send invoices. You can schedule invoices. If it's going to be a recurring invoice, it's going to be just a one-time invoice. You can do all of that with Platnova Business. You can schedule payments. You can schedule payments, if the payment is a one-time thing. If you want to go out at a particular time, you can do all of that on Platnova Business. If it's going to be a recurring payment, you can schedule it however long you want it. As long as your account is funded, that's good to go. And you have access to creating multiple wallets on the Platnova Business platform, right? So if you have multiple team members that, So first thing, before I get there, you can add team members on Platnova Business. So if you have departments, maybe marketing department, you have product department, you have sales, you have customer support and whatnot, you can add all of them on Platnova Business and basically manage everything from the Platnova Business platform, right? You can give them access, give them roles and permissions. So maybe you want them to be able to access a particular thing and not access the others. You can actually handle that with the Platnova Business platform. Yes, we can handle all of that for you. So also, when you assign team members, you can assign them wallets, assign them virtual cards or physical cards as well. So wherever a team member is making a transaction, you get to see who the team member is and what transaction the team member is making. It's just that seamless. It gives you full transparency on every single thing you're working on, right? So on the business platform, you have full transparency to every single thing. So I mean that's more than, it's a whole lot. Yeah, it's a buffet. It's a buffet of services. So we have a lot of services for you. If you're a technical business and you're saying, oh, I like what Platnova Business is doing and I would like to offer resell these services to my customers. I mean, from virtual cards to account information, virtual accounts as well. You can also resell. We give you APIs. You can resell all the services to your customer. If you want to make cross-border payments and you need API integrations, we can also offer you that. So we're not just catering to just businesses that want to do transactions, we're also catering to people that need these services on their own platforms, right? So I mean, it's a whole buffet, like I said. So we handle all of that. We do all of that from your wallet to your accounts, virtual accounts, that's in USD, GBP, EUR, and I mean more to come, by the way. So yeah, we're working on a lot more to come. So yes, and also we have the payment link feature that allows you to make payments and send your customers payments to. It's a scheduled bank account information. So once they make payments, you already get it that, oh, they've made payment. So you don't need to start chasing your customer. Oh, hello, have you paid? No, you just just relax. On the go, handle your transactions, handle your business flows and everything. So just easy. Yeah.
Togo, Zimbabwe.
This is just to confirm that we have different names, different people, right? In a moment, you are going to pick a paper and look at the name, but only you will see the name. Nobody else in this entire room will see it. At it, don't show anybody, even the person beside you. Yeah. Because some people can say he's in on this. I have this paper, can we say it's all right? Yeah. And he wants to confirm that it's truly an empty paper, I hold this as well. Now this magic trick, it works with sight. I have the flag of Africa here. You are thinking of one country. I want you to look at the country. Imagine that you are sending a transaction to this country. Once you see the country, let me know. You can see it already. Just by looking at it, is it possible for me to know the country you are thinking of? Based on your look right now, is it possible? That's almost impossible, right? You're just staying straight. What if I tell you I have this country? How do you think of the name? Keep repeating it. First time, I want you to say out loud what this country is. The country that you're holding right now.
I just came back from this country on Tuesday,
South Africa. It's almost impossible for me to get this right.
Yes.
But I wrote the name of the country here. Ladies and gentlemen.
It's a lie. BGM, this guy, the one.
We sure hope you enjoyed this video. For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel Goldmynetv and be unleashed into a world of super excitement.